guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today we're going to show you a small botanical garden in one of the small Poland city, Leiden. It's very cute and I can't wait to walk around.
The Hortus botanicus of Leiden is the oldest botanical garden of the Netherlands and one of the oldest in the world. It is one of Europe's first botanical gardens, now part of the University of Leiden. It is small and beautifully kept. This beautiful natural science center was founded in 1590, over 500 years ago.
And look you guys, this is such an unusual, delicate flower and very tall. That's a really nice combination of kind of bluish silvery leaves and yellow flowers. This is gooseberry with a bunch of berries on it.
And now we're in a greenhouse with all these beautiful tropical plants surrounding. I have no idea what it is, but I'll try to find out.
And finally we found what it is. And look at the size of these gigantic leaves and plant. Unbelievable. Look what we found here. It's a large stinging nettle. It's actually from Australia and Indonesia. And it can sting so badly and pain is described as excruciating. I'm so glad it's behind the glass. And of course, beautiful water lilies. Finally, so nice to get out of this beautiful tropical greenhouse. It's a little hot over there. And now here with a Japanese place in this garden. You can see very nice setup that they created here. And actually, guys, this garden was laid out in 1594. So it's amazing to walk these grounds for, I guess, so many years. Polycarps. I just love the color and variety. And I just have to take this. This is black Monda grass. I like it a lot. I hope you do too. I really like it. Let's make a stroll inside of it. But I would not recommend to plant it here in your garden. It's gonna take over everything. Look you guys how nicely these flower beds are aged. And look guys how nicely they present information here. You can turn it and you can feed much more than just usual. And now we're entering fern garden. Ferns are always fantastic choice for shade garden. They come in such a different size and color and shape, and always very delicate. Look at another beautiful fern, such a great texture. And as we move along, there is another one, very unusual texture as well. Can really suit any taste you might have in shape and potentially color. And of course, one of my favorites, Japanese painted fern. So beautiful and unusual color. And you might think this is not a fern, but look, definitely it is. I don't know about you, but I really like this unusual color and texture. Let's find out what it is. And of course, so unusual, exotic and prehistoric tree ferns. I wish I can grow one at my place in my garden. These are actually from Australia. Okay, I guess we've seen enough of ferns, and now look at this beautiful artichoke. Such a luscious silvery leaves. And we found such a cute purple peas. And look at the carp. Wow. It's also looking for food underwater.
And geranium rosé never disappoints. It's so nice to sit outside and have a drink so close to these beautiful flowers after touring amazing grounds of Leiden Botanical Garden.